Are you looking for the top 5 best Wood CNC machines reviewed? I bought and tested these top Wood CNC machines so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong tool. As someone who's dabbled in woodworking for years, I know how crucial the right equipment is. Let me share my honest experiences and help you make the best choice. Product number 1, Longer Laser Engraver Ray 5. I recently got my hands on the Longer Laser Engraver Ray 5, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The first thing that struck me was the high-speed performance, thanks to its advanced 240 MHz ESP32 chipset. It can reach speeds of up to 10,000 millimeters per minute, which is phenomenal for someone who often works on multiple projects at once. Just imagine whipping through designs at lightning speed without sacrificing accuracy. As I set up the machine, I was impressed by how user-friendly it was. The 3.5-inch touchscreen is highly responsive, making navigation a breeze. I was able to connect it via USB, Wi-Fi, or even use a TF card for offline projects. This flexibility is essential when I'm in my workshop, surrounded by tools and wood shavings. One of the standout features is the engraving precision. With a laser spot size of only 0.08 millimeters and an engraving accuracy of 0.01 millimeters, I was able to create intricate designs and detailed patterns that I thought were only possible with high-end machines. I tested it on various materials like wood, metal, and acrylic, and I was thrilled with the results. Each project turned out exactly as I envisioned. However, there are a few considerations. While the safety features like emergency shutdown and overheating protection provided peace of mind, I found the initial setup slightly time-consuming. But once it was up and running, the machine performed flawlessly. Why should you buy this laser engraver? If you're serious about your crafting or woodworking projects and want a machine that offers versatility, precision, and speed, the Longer Ray 5 is a fantastic investment. It truly meets various engraving needs and... Product number 2. Two Trees TTC 450 Pro CNC Router. Next up, let's talk about the Two Trees TTC 450 Pro CNC Router. When I first unboxed it, I was taken aback by the robust build quality. Weighing in at 34.5 pounds, this machine screams stability. The first project I tackled was a set of wooden coasters, and I was impressed by the high-precision Z-axis that uses a closed-loop stepper motor. It made a world of difference in depth control and surface quality, especially for intricate designs. The 3.5-inch capacitive touchscreen is a wonderful touch, providing an intuitive interface that makes operation feel seamless. One of my favorite features is the professional expansion ports, allowing for future upgrades. I can easily transition this machine into a 4-axis engraver or even integrate a laser module, giving me the creative freedom to explore new projects without needing to invest in another machine. I also appreciated the generous working area of 460 by 460 by 80 millimeters, which was perfect for larger furniture panels and batch production. However, it is worth noting that the setup process can be a bit daunting for newcomers, but once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. Why buy the Two Trees TTC 450 Pro? If you're looking for a reliable, upgradable CNC router that excels at precision and versatility. Product number 3. Wolfpawn CNC Router Machine. Now, let's dive into the CNC Router Machine by Wolfpawn. This all-metal 3-axis machine caught my attention with its structural stability. The solid aluminum frame provides excellent support, and I felt confident pushing it to its limits. I started with a simple acrylic engraving project, and the results were impressive. The 500-watt spindle and advanced linear guideway structures made for smooth and stable motion. Assembly was a breeze. The majority of the components were pre-assembled, and I had it up and running in about 20 minutes. The user-friendly interface with GRBL control made it easy to jump into my design work using popular software like Fusion 360. Dust management was another highlight. The independent control box features an emergency stop button, which is crucial for anyone working in a busy workshop. I appreciated the effective dust baffle that kept my workspace clean and organized. However, I did notice that it could be a bit noisy during operation, which might be a concern for those in shared spaces. Why should you consider this machine? For those looking to step into CNC machining without breaking the bank, the Wolfpawn CNC Router offers excellent value. It's a reliable, well-built machine that handles a variety of materials. Product number 4. Axis CNC Router Machine 6060. Next, we have the Axis CNC Router Machine 6060. As soon as I set it up, the larger working area of 23.6 by 23.6 by 2.95 inches was immediately evident. I had the freedom to tackle bigger projects, which was refreshing. The 710-watt power spindle is an absolute powerhouse, and I was able to switch between speeds from 6,000 to 30,000 RPM with ease. This flexibility was vital when switching between different materials. The stable design featuring lineal rails and belt-driven axes made for reliable precision. I was particularly impressed with the automatic tool setter, which simplifies the operation and ensures high accuracy production. It allowed me to focus more on creativity rather than adjustments. The modular design made the setup process incredibly user-friendly, and I was pleasantly surprised by the detailed assembly instructions provided. It took me less than 20 minutes to get it up and running. However, I did have to keep an eye on the belt tension during use, as it's essential for maintaining the machine's performance over time. Why invest in the Axis CNC Router? If you're looking for a well-rounded machine that offers power, precision, and
Product number 5. Two Trees TTC 3018 Pro CNC Router. Lastly, let's review the Two Trees TTC 3018 Pro CNC Router. This machine is designed with entry-level enthusiasts in mind, and I could see that right from the start. The upgraded metal Z-axis significantly improved stability, and during my testing, I found that the feed accuracy was impressive for a machine in this price range. With a compact design that fits comfortably on any desk, the 300 by 180 millimeters workspace was perfect for small projects like nameplates and custom stamps. I was also delighted to find that the kit came with 10 standard cutters and an ER11 collet, allowing me to start creating right out of the box. The open-source Smart Control feature was a breath of fresh air. It supports Wi-Fi and offline engraving, and I was able to use my favorite design software seamlessly. The assembly process was fun and educational, giving me insight into how CNC machines work. However, I would recommend beginners take their time during the learning phase to avoid any hiccups. Why choose the Two Trees TTC 3018 Pro? If you're just starting your CNC journey and want a reliable, compact machine that offers excellent performance, this is the perfect fit. It's a fantastic way to get into the world of CNC.
In conclusion, each of these CNC machines brings unique features and benefits to the table, catering to various skill levels and project needs. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, you'll find an option that fits your requirements. Happy crafting!